a mammoth heirloom okra from West Africa that produces gargantuan, edible leaves and delicious pods. This outstanding okra is relatively new to the Americas and was introduced by John Jackson, a retired U.S. Army Airborne Ranger. It is hard to find the exact scientific name for this okra, if there is even one yet. Gardeners report plants averaging 6 to 8 feet. The pods are an unusual round shape and not entirely spineless. The leaves are much larger than traditional okra and flowers are a magnificent yellow. Okra is generally grown in locations where the crop will receive full sunlight throughout the day. Soil types for okra production can vary, with loams and sandy loams preferred, but even heavier soils can produce well if the soil drains well enough to prevent waterlogging. If the soil drainage is less than optimal, the okra will benefit from the use of freestanding raised soil beds. Some of okra's best garden companions are plants that, like okra, need plenty of water. This includes cucumbers, melons, eggplant, and sweet or hot peppers. Cucumbers love water and rich soil, as does okra, so this will do well side by side. Motherland okra is exquisite and versatile in cooked dishes, and can even be eaten raw when young. The leaves are also edible when cooked, and in their native range, they are traditionally made into soup. Ground up seeds can be used as a coffee substitute and to make flour. Although there is no caffeine in the seeds, when toasted and ground up and served like coffee, it will have a sudorific effect, which can cause you to sweat. Okra is low in calories but packed full of nutrients. The vitamin C in okra helps support healthy immune function. Okra is also rich in vitamin K, which helps your body clot blood.